Hey there. Okay, so this is crazy, but I am doing something that I've been wanting to do, and it's basically just jumping back into YouTube. So I am setting my timer for 5 minutes, and every time I put the kids to bed, once I walk out, well actually when I put baby to bed, I am going to just film a video for 5 minutes. I'm going to call this the After Bedtime Challenge. So I was thinking for starters, I could just write that out and then just talk to you about that. So literally just put my baby girl to bed. She's sleeping. She is 7 months now. Can you believe it? Okay. So for this first video, I'm just going to write out After Bedtime Challenge. I'm using this guide sheet that my friend Nina made for me, so I'll link to it down below. And why am I doing this? Because I've been wanting to get back into YouTube just for the longest time, but I keep telling myself, okay, I'll do it when I have the time, I'll do it when I have time to edit, I'll do it when I have all my topics ready, but you know what? There's never the perfect time. And if you are any kind of busy in your own life, you know that life just somehow happens. And so I'm pushing myself to hop on, turn the camera on, and just see what happens. I'm inspired by so many YouTubers and vloggers that I follow, and I realized that their first videos were not as good as they are at the moment. They just started somewhere. And I'm trying to, for my own self, just push myself to create and not stress about where it's going and what's gonna happen. Okay, so we're at 2 minutes, not too bad. After Bedtime Challenge. So whether you are like me and you are a parent, a mom, and you have little kids, or maybe you just have a crazy schedule and sometimes you need that space, that special and sacred space to do your work, you know? And so I'm here behind the screen and not worrying about anything. Okay, so maybe we can do one more After Bedtime Challenge. Let's do a capital. Let's do So I just want to apologize in advance. Well, I don't know what I'm apologizing for, but I want to say that as much as I wish I can edit these or be a little bit more innovative with them, I'm just going to focus on the joy of creating. Let's just write After Bedtime. I don't think I have enough time to squeeze in challenge. So what you can expect from me, I hope you're still there. I'm going to just see where this goes. If you have any requests for me, however small it is, you know, if you want me to demo a word or how to use a certain pen or just any kind of technique that you're interested in, hopefully I can squeeze it in 5 minutes. After Bedtime Challenge. So that's that. I'm nearing the last minute and I'm going to just trust this process, okay? In the future, for future videos, I'm going to hop on and there will just be one specific thing I'm going to go over because 5 minutes just flies by. I barely got started, and so I'm hoping to make these focused little videos for you. So I hope you can join in, and that's that. So if you are new to my channel, I'm just going to say welcome and hope you stick around. Take a look at other videos I've done, and I hope that you'll join me soon. Leave this video a comment if you enjoyed just hearing me hop back on, sharing some of my work, and hopefully I will see you guys real soon. So thanks for watching.